Hi, this is my friend Tom. He's a university student. Every month, he has to go through heaps of books to submit his assessments in university. Meet Emma. She runs an archaeological company. To publish her articles on website, she has to spend tons of money on scholarly journals. This is Mrs. Jones. She's very particular about the diet of her children, and she's always asking people about the benefits of different herbs and spices. Have you abandoned everything just like Tom to achieve good GPAs in university? Are you tired of wasting money on websites to get premium access like Emma? Or are you simply in search of health-related ideas just like Mrs. Jones? Voila! You have come to the right place. This channel will be all about knowledgeable and informative things such as science, health, interesting facts, and much more. So hurry up and become a part of this unique journey because a lot of exciting stuff awaits you that you certainly don't want to miss.